Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to be opening up this last Ronin Raph. I ran into him at my local comic book shop and then couldn't not buy him. I mean, I shouldn't have, but I did because he's so awesome. So I was going to make my own maybe later. Now I got this one, which is awesome. Let's take a look. You saw the box. The artwork is dope. Pretty big and pretty stuck in there. 3 extra sets of hands. Oh, like judo chop hands, which is pretty cool. Never seen hands like that. Closed fist hands, or kind of closed fist hands. The size are dope. A little crooked, but fit nicely into those hands. So it's not a closed fist, it's a holding hand, but it's a pretty skinny holding area. Kind of grabby hand. Weird throwing triangle. An arrow. I guess that's one of the arrows that's gonna end up in his back. That's a dope head. Oh yeah, this guy's so awesome. Double elbow, which is good. He's got closed fist hands on him, so that's cool. Details on the belt are great, and the little armor he has. I guess that's like umpire armor. Nice leather. Feels nice. It's got a nice texture, and it's got a good leather look. What goes in there? Oh, I guess this. Oh no, sides go like this. That's pretty dope. That's new. Never had a Raph figure with holders like that. Head is a little shiny on the top. Got a double knee. Yep. Foot, rocks, and swivels, and all the good articulation NECA usually gives us. They never stand up for me. There we go. I have this last Ronin figure. He is bigger. I guess he doesn't have any shoes on. He just has wraps, but still, he's a lot smaller than Mikey. Usually it's the other way around. He looks dope. I like the size. He's thick, and I like the second head better. NECA heads, they're easy to come off, but I have a real hard time getting the heads back on. I'm always afraid I'm gonna break it. But I guess when they grow up to adults, Mikey ends up the biggest. I don't know, I don't have the Leo or Casey's out now. They haven't done an April yet, so I'm gonna do an April, and I have a figure I'm gonna make a Casey with. This is, I thought it would be cool to make him doing an unboxing for the thumbnail. So I made this couch. I'm gonna have a video showing how I made this couch coming soon. Then we've got Mutant Mayhem Space Cadet Raph, or Astronaut Raph, but he's based on the Space Cadet. So another Raph video. And this guy's awesome. If you can, you should definitely get him. And I want the Leonardo and the other ones, but we'll see. If I see them in person at the store, I'll probably buy them, but I shouldn't. But we'll see. I'll make my own. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, remember, always keep your head up. Peace.